Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Chrysler Pacifica. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and safely supported. Begin by draining all the old coolant from the radiator and engine block. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shorts. Then, carefully remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses, preparing for the next steps. Now, let's move on to removing the surrounding components. You'll need to detach the cooling fan assembly, which is usually held by a few bolts or clips. If your Pacifica has transmission cooler lines integrated into the radiator, carefully disconnect those as well. Finally, unbolt or unclip the radiator itself from its mounting points, making it ready for removal. With the old radiator out, it's time to install the new one. Gently lower the new radiator into its proper position in the engine bay. Once aligned, secure it firmly using the mounting bolts or clips you removed earlier. Don't forget to reconnect any transmission cooler lines and reattach the cooling fan assembly, ensuring everything is snug and secure. For the final steps, reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure their clamps are tight. Now, it's crucial to refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant. Take your time to properly bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating. Start the engine, check for leaks, and monitor the temperature gauge closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.